everybody, Abby here. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be partnering up with Gliss today to bring you guys 14 healthy hair hacks. Some of these things you might already be doing, but others are gonna blow your mind. So don't forget to subscribe below, click that little red button down there. I share weekly hair tutorials, and let's jump into it. Hair hack number 1, you gotta shampoo your hair right. So when you're shampooing, the water temperature should be on the warmer side. This is gonna open up the inner cuticles of the hair, making it easier to get out all of the dirt and any product residue that might be trapped inside. Also make sure to scrub your scalp. So you don't want to massage in circular motions because that can tangle the hair, but instead use vertical motions, almost like you're like scratching your head. This is gonna stimulate the scalp and get some really good blood flow going, which is also gonna help your hair grow faster. Hair hack number 2, don't condition your scalp. Most conditioners are made for the hair only, and if you apply it to your scalp, it can make your scalp a little bit greasy.
Let's be honest. Nobody wants that.
Also, you want to rinse your hair in cold water after you condition. This is going to close up the cuticle and make it extra strong. The shampoo and conditioner I've been loving like crazy is the Gliss Hair Repair with Liquid Keratin. I've been getting so many DMs from you guys. A lot of you have seen an ad in the paper with my face on it, and the commercial that I made back in December with Gliss is starting to air, and some of you guys are commenting on that. It has been so fun representing this brand, and I love the products so much. So keep your eye out for my face in the paper. Maybe you'll see me around. That leads me into hair hack number 3. Use quality products. I'm using the Gliss Color Guard shampoo and conditioner, and what I love about these products is they actually seal in color from washing out, and because of the liquid keratin, they also rebuild the hair from the inside out. And they're affordable, so you have no excuse. Hair hack number 4, use a heat protectant. Oils are great, I love me some oils, but you really can't add an oil all the way up to your scalp or your hair gets greasy. So you need to use a heat spray before you apply any heat to your hair. Lately I've been loving the Living Proof Restore Instant Protection Spray. Yeah, I mostly use this product when my hair is dry because the mist is super fine, so it doesn't build up onto the hair or leave any residue, and it also protects against UV damage and static. Hair hack number 5, sleep on clean pillowcases. Like a new one every week, you guys. You can take it one step further and actually use a satin or a silk pillowcase too. This is gonna create less friction against the hair at night, which will decrease frizz. So if you have problems with frizz, try a satin or a silk pillowcase. Pillowcases are just a breeding ground for bacteria. You guys might even find that changing your pillowcase can clear up your acne too. Hair hack number 6, wash your hair less often. This is a no-brainer for those of you guys who have been following me for a while. I've been drumming this into your heads for years. Nobody should wash their hair every day.
Nobody should wash their hair every day.
It's gonna dry out your scalp, and oddly enough will encourage your scalp to actually produce more oil. So just break the habit. If you're washing your hair every day, go every other day for a few weeks until you notice your scalp isn't producing as much oil. And in the meantime, hair hack number 7, use a dry shampoo. I think dry shampoo is my all-time favorite product in the history of the world. I not only use dry shampoo to absorb excess oil, but also for volume and texture. So if your hair doesn't hold a bobby pin, use some dry shampoo. If your hair is oily or you think it smells because you just got done working out, use some dry shampoo. 2 that I've really been loving lately, this is the Fresh It Up dry shampoo from Got2b. I tried this because we use the hair gel, the Got2b hair gel for my boys, and I love it. So I gave this a try. This is the Tropical Boost. It smells like you're in Hawaii. And then this is the Clean and Refresh. I love this. You can find pretty much dry shampoo at any drugstore. Hair hack number 8, if you're getting in the shower and you don't want to get your hair wet, try a shower cap. This is what they look like. A shower cap's gonna help keep the moisture out so that you don't have to deal with the post-shower frizz. Hair hack number 9, use the phone cord hair ties when you're putting your hair back into a ponytail. So these are gonna help reduce breakage and they don't leave kinks in your hair. Hair hack number 10, if you must sleep with your hair back, make sure that you're using like a soft scrunchie, and if you must sleep with your hair wet, make sure that it's braided so that it doesn't get damaged while you sleep. Hair hack number 11, I'm out of fingers, 11. Give your hair a deep condition at least once a week. So for me, that's basically every time I wash my hair. You can do an overnight treatment. I love this Sebastian Twisted treatment right here. It smells like your boyfriend. Or you can just leave your conditioner in and take an extra long shower if you don't have time. but using a hair mask can really be the difference between good hair and great hair. Hair hack number 12, make sure that your hair isn't sopping wet when you brush through it. So our hair is most vulnerable when it's wet, so I like actually to use a microfiber hand towel to kind of press the water out of the hair, and then you're gonna let it dry for just a few minutes and then go through it with a wide toothed comb like this. And after it is all tangle free, then you're gonna use your paddle brush to help you dry it. Hair hack number 13, we've only got one left. Brush your hair from the bottom up. So I actually love these paddle brushes. You can kind of just brush the snarls and you're gonna just move up. So you don't, if you have snarls up here, you don't wanna start there. You kinda wanna start at the bottom and work them out going down. We made it to the end, you guys. Hair hack number 14, you are what you eat. Obviously, but make sure that you're drinking enough water and eating a balanced diet. I've also been taking doTERRA supplements, and I'll talk more about those and the ones that I'm taking in the blog post, so make sure to check that out in the description box. And then collagen every day. In fact, all of this regrowth, I'll just pull out a little bit, all of this regrowth, it's like all over. It started a month or so after I started taking the supplements, so I know that they're working and helping my hair grow fast and full, so make sure to check out the description if you're interested in that. And yeah, that's it, you guys. 14 hair hacks that'll help your hair be super amazing and soft and shiny and long and thick and full and amazing and beautiful. So what I want to know is, was there a hair hack that you hadn't heard of before? Are you already doing a couple of these? Do I need to try one? Do I not know of some? Let me know in the comments, and yeah, you guys, that's all I have for you. I love you so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.